I want to show you how you can decongest your Google account when you get notifications like your storage is full. So how do we go about that? Let's go straight into today's video. So the first thing is go to your Gmail accounts, the account that you already have that is full or is giving you that warning your storage is full, you need to buy storage and things like that. So once you get there, you can do this on your phone, you can also do it on desktop. So for better view and understanding, I'm using my computer to do this. So first you go to the top where your icon is, not this one right here, this one. So click on it and it takes you to this section right here. So you're gonna go to your account that says manage your Google account. So once you click on manage your Google account, you're going to take it to this section, a new page. Sorry, my network is a little bit slow, but this is how we go about it. So once you're here, for quick, easy, and access, you have the search toggle, search icon, the search button here. So you just click on it and you say data, and you click enter. That's, you hit the search, or you can click here, you can hit enter on your computer, you can just click here and you're just gonna wait for it to open up for you. So once you get that, so I'm just gonna wait. So now here we go. So you says download your data and all that and all that. So you all go straight to data and privacy. So click on data and privacy, you're just gonna wait for it to load up. Now, here we are. So you're going to scroll down a little bit. Is what we're looking for. This section that says content saved from Google services. So click on this. So under apps and services, you see content saved from Google services. You click on it. Then it pops up to a different page again. So I have, let's say, I have 1,600 emails and all that. So this is not what we're looking for. So most of the apps you've used in the past, you're gonna find them here. You can walk around them. Let's say you want to do a lot of stuff. So I used to blog back then. So anyway, that's not part of what we're talking about today. So we're gonna go down to photos. That's what's always taking most of our space. So click on it. It takes you to a new page. You can see it switch to a new page. Then here we are. So you're gonna see so many of your photos, so many of your old photos. You'll be surprised, like your phone or whatever you use is always auto saving. This is like way back when I used to do social media marketing and all that. Now you go to this section on the left side, almost the last menu, the last menu option. So you see storage. So you see mine is never full. I'm always clearing things out. I'm using my other Gmail to do this. I have other email. So you click on this storage right here. Now this is the sensitive part. This is the part we need to be careful and we need to understand what we're doing. So once you scroll down to the bottom, you see recover storage, and you see convert existing photos and videos to storage server. So here is where we need to go to. So you click on learn more. It's not the storage, so you just click on it and it takes you to the section that says recover storage. Now you need to read all through all of this, but we come to compress. So you say compress existing photos and videos. So we're going to click on this that says I understand, like terms and condition. We know no matter what, we have to just click on I understand. Now it says it doesn't affect items stored or added any elsewhere on Google, such as Gmail, blah 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 blah, YouTube. Some items backed up on Pixel device may not be affected. So anyway, we're going to click on compress existing photos and videos. So once you click on this, it does its magic by compressing all your files, and you're going to have more storage for you to use. I hope this video is understood, as well understood. So you see, compressing this may take several hours, depending on the size of your photos and videos and also your internet connection. The faster your internet is, the faster this is going to be compressed and you have your files. So you can always go back to get them and check them and all that and all that. So please let me know in the comment section if this video helped you. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye for now. Happy New Year.